This week's Gen Z investment stock pick is Activision Blizzard. Their stock symbol is ATVI. This video game publisher has been a leader in the gaming industry since 2008, when they were founded based on the merger of Activision and Vivendi Games. The following are a few reasons why I believe Activision Blizzard will continue to succeed in the long term, making them a Gen Z investment stock pick. With many popular video game franchises, including Call of Duty and World of Warcraft, as well as popular mobile games like Candy Crush, Activision Blizzard has over 500 million monthly users in 196 countries, and they continue to expand their customer base monthly. In addition to having a diverse global customer base, Activision Blizzard has a diverse group of businesses within their company. They currently operate 5 business units, which include Activision Publishing, Blizzard Entertainment, King, Major League Gaming, and Activision Blizzard Studios. Activision Blizzard has been recognized by Fortune as a top 100 best company to work for. This is significant as it means the over 9,000 employees who run Activision Blizzard's company are very happy and will be able to continue to hire the very best talent in their industry, giving them an advantage over their competition. So Activision Blizzard is this week's pick, which brings us to a total of 16 stock picks currently in the Gen Z Investments portfolio. See my previous posts for the other stocks I've purchased. I've included Activision Blizzard's stock symbol and website in the video description below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for future weekly stock buys and follow me on Instagram at Gen Z Investments. Finally, check out the Gen Z Investments online store at gzistore.com. Thank you and have a great weekend.